So if you are a man and you are doing any of these things for a woman, I'm sorry to break the news to you. You are a simp, a big fat simp for that. Why the hell would you be doing any of these things for a woman? So the first one is you pay all her bills. Every single bill that this girl used to pay before. Before she met you, she used to pay all these bills by herself. But now, simply because she's dating you or she's with you, she has now transferred all those bills to you. Her hair, you're the one that pay for it. Her nails is you that do it. Her clothes, you're the one that is always buying for her clothes or giving her money for clothes. Even when she's coming to your place, the transport she will use, you are the one who is going to pay for it. The phone she's using, you are the one who bought it for her. Virtually every money that this girl spends comes from you. She makes it mandatory that you spend money on her, even on unnecessary things. This girl is always putting you under financial pressure, making you feel or think that is your duty as a boyfriend or as a man to carry her financial responsibilities. When you are doing all this for a woman, you are a simp. And that girl simply sees you as a man who is naive, who is weak, who is clueless, that she can manipulate. It's as simple as that. This kind of women, the moment you stop paying their bills, they will simply leave you and hop on to the next guy. Women like this are not with you for love. They are with you because you can pay their bills. Why are you a simp paying for a woman's bills? She'll keep using you, sucking you dry, and the day you go broke, that is when you now know the real color of that woman. That she never liked you, she never found you attractive, she was simply using you for your money. The next one is she constantly disrespects you. A woman who you are doing all these things for, yet she's always disrespecting you. She never listens to what you say. She's always challenging you. She's always insulting you. She's always making you feel as if you are not a man. Before you even say one, she has said 100. When a woman you are dating or when a woman you are with is constantly disrespecting you, even in front of outsiders, she disrespects you openly. For the fact that you are with this woman, it shows that you're a simp. Because a man who is not a simp, the first time a woman disrespects him, that is the moment he will start planning an exit from that relationship with that woman. But a man who a woman keeps disrespecting, and that man is still with her. Obviously, that man is a spineless man who lacks self-respect, who lacks the knowledge of his self-worth, and who deserves a woman to keep disrespecting him. Because when you've refused to know your value as a man, to respect yourself as a man, obviously, that woman will keep disrespecting you, and you deserve it because you've refused to understand your worth as a man. Some of you guys don't even know your worth as a man. And I don't blame these women for disrespecting you. I don't blame these women for walking all over you because most of you men deserve it. Most of you men deserve it. Yes, you guys deserve it because you've refused to listen to reasonable advice from people like us. When you are with a woman who disrespects you constantly, and in your mind you feel that, oh, one day she'll change because you love her too much. I can't leave her. I love her too much. Let me try to see if she can change. You simply deserve that kind of woman. And I pray that she keeps disrespecting you more to the point that one day she will embarrass you in public. Because that is what most of you guys deserve. A woman is always disrespecting you, insulting you, challenging your authority, walking all over you, pushing you around, and you've not left her since that time till now. Personally, a woman can't even disrespect me because before a woman disrespects a man, first of all, she will know the kind of man she's dealing with. If you come across as a weak guy, as a guy who loves her too much, as a guy who can tolerate all her disrespect, she will keep disrespecting you. But when a woman knows that this guy, the day I disrespect him, that's the day he's going to leave me, or he doesn't even have the temperament for disrespect, or he's the kind of guy who is a no-nonsense guy, a woman will know that I should not disrespect this guy. So women will always look at you and observe you and know the kind of person you are before they begin to disrespect you. So the moment a woman begins to disrespect you, that is the day you should leave her. Else, she will keep disrespecting you. This is why, as a man, you must set boundaries. Without boundaries, women will do and undo with you. So be smart and have boundaries. The next one is you tolerate all her dramas. A woman is always being dramatic. She makes issues out of everything. She's always arguing. She's always trying to make you go crazy. Every little thing, she starts arguing. She starts crying. She starts manipulating you emotionally. She does something bad, and when you confront her, she starts crying and making and trying to manipulate you into apologizing to her. All those things are drama, negative drama, toxic drama. When you notice that a woman is always bringing drama into your life, making you argue, making two of you fight over stupid things, that is the moment that you should know that this woman is not for you. Because when you are with this kind of woman, over a long period of time, she will damage you emotionally. She will make you start feeling that it's normal for you and your woman to argue, for you and your woman to constantly fight, for you and your woman to always be quarreling. When a woman is with you for a long time and you keep accepting her dramatic side, it will only get worse because she now knows that you love drama too and she'll keep giving it to you. But when a girl starts misbehaving or starts being dramatic over little things and you make it obvious to her that you don't have time for stupid things, for such stupid things, because some women love drama. They love those drama because it excites them. It makes them happy. Some even see it as something that should be happening steady in a relationship with a man. Some women see it like that. So you must make it obvious to her from the onset that, see, I don't have time for drama. If you are going to bring drama into my life, I'm going to kick you away. I'm going to kick you out of my life. That's how you should do it. As a man, you cannot be hustling. You cannot be trying to improve your life. You cannot be trying to make money. You cannot be trying to make something out of your life. And yet, you are still with a woman who is dramatic. A woman who is dramatic can never give you peace of mind because she's always trying to stir up drama. She's always trying to stir up chaos. She's always trying to stir up problems. So that two of you can be arguing, so that two of you can be constantly fighting. A woman who does this and you tolerate this, it shows that you're a simp. A man who is masculine, a man who is in his masculine states, knows that he needs his sanity. He needs his peace of mind to focus on his purpose, to focus on his hustle, to focus on making money. And therefore, he doesn't have time for drama. So if you're always tolerating drama from a woman, it shows that you're a simp. It's as simple as that. The fourth one is you are always begging her for love. You are constantly begging a woman to love you. You are constantly begging a woman to call you. You are constantly begging a woman to reply to your chats. You are constantly begging a woman to come over to see you. You are constantly begging a woman to cook for you. You are constantly begging your so-called girlfriend to do the things she's meant to do as your woman. It shows that you have low self-esteem. You have low self-esteem, low self-worth. You don't even have a good perception of yourself. Why would you be begging a woman for love? Of all the things we should beg somebody in this life for, it is love. Love that should come naturally. You are begging love from a woman. A woman who you have to beg love from obviously doesn't love you, because when a woman loves you, they will show you love to the point that you'll be fed up with her love. Women who truly love you, they act as if they're obsessed with you. So when you are begging a woman for love, she'll simply see you as a foolish guy that she can use and dump, that is always at her beck and call. The reason why some of those girls that are trying to always bill you and make you spend money on them, even when they don't deserve it, the reason why they have the morale, the audacity to do all those things, is because you're always the one who's begging them for love. Never give a woman that impression that you want her too much, that you want her so badly. You are simply giving them the leverage over you. You are simply giving them the power over you. And they will use that power to the best of their capacity. By billing you, by making you spend on them, by making you do crazy stuff. When a woman knows that you want her so badly, she will, of course, try to manipulate you, try to get resources out of you. Never beg a woman for love. You are simply harming yourself in the long run. The next one, which is the last one, is she doesn't take corrections. She doesn't take instructions from you, and she never respects your opinions. Whenever you tell her what to do, she tells you, no, let me do it my own way. Whenever you tell her, babe, it's not like this, she'll start arguing with you, fighting with you, telling you, why should you be telling me what to do? When a woman cannot submit to your authority and you allow her to remain with you, obviously you're a big, fat simp. Why are you a simp? A woman doesn't bend to your authority. A woman doesn't bow to your leadership. A woman doesn't follow you and you are with her and you still want to be with her. You are a certified simp. You have a bachelor's degree in simping. You have a PhD in simping. In fact, you are the professor of simping in the whole wide world. You simp a lot. Why would you be with such a woman? A woman who doesn't know how to submit to you. Even as a girlfriend, your woman has to submit to you. Because a woman who doesn't submit to you as a girlfriend, isn't that when you marry her that she will submit to you? Absolutely no. From the behavior of your girlfriend, you can predict what she will do as a wife. A woman who doesn't submit to you as a girlfriend, when you pay her bride price, she will get worse. Because women magnify whatever character they show to you as a girlfriend when they become wives. If your girlfriend was misbehaving, cheating on you, sleeping around, when you marry her, she will behave worse. Because at that point, she's no longer looking for anything from you. You've given her the highest honor any man can give to a woman, which is that ring. So she has nothing again to want from you. You have given her everything a man can give to a woman, which is a ring. So her behavior will only get worse. But if a woman was good to you, nice to you, and you marry her, her behavior will get better because you've made her a wife. She loved you from the onset, so she'll keep loving you more as a wife, except to do something to mess it all up. So never tolerate any of these 5 things from a woman. Else, you keep being a simp, and a simp. You guys should be wise. You guys should learn. Else, you keep suffering at the hands of women.